Hello everybody, it's Miggy from We Like to Talk, and today we're going to learn about weed. Yay, weed! So first we're going to learn the words. Cannabis. Boy, they're moving really slow. Cannabis. Come on. Cannabis. That's our first word. It's the plant that makes everything better. Our second word is very exciting. Marijuana. Whoa, that was fast. Marijuana is right there. Marijuana. Very, very fast. Next, CBG stands for I know that one. Bergerism. The hell is that? Bergerism. Wait, what is it? Cannabigerol. I'm not sure that's really a word. Cannabigerol. CBG. That's all the things, not all, but most of the things that are in cannabis to make it a healing plant. Yay! Make sure you watch me again, Miggy, for We Like to Talk.